Introducing Arete 2, our fastest, most efficient dehumidifier yet. Built around our new brushless DC motor, Arete 2 delivers a 60% increase in airflow, meaning it extracts water more efficiently and at a lower cost than ever before. While a medical-grade HEPA filter purifies all incoming air. The result is 255 cubic meters of damp, dirty air being transformed into clean, dry air every hour. This higher airflow, combined with a positionable louvre, makes it the fastest, cheapest way to dry your laundry. The unique air inlet design allows Arete to be pushed against the wall and still draw in air, saving space and ensuring the design blends into your home. A dedicated night mode makes Arete as quiet as possible for a good night's sleep. Our innovative Chase display shows your progress from current to target humidity at a glance, while Smart Laundry and Humidity modes simplify using the machine. These can be easily controlled from the Meaco app or a voice assistant. Arete 2, our fastest, most efficient dehumidifier yet.